Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now a quick video, I hope. Me and my wife's RX450 Lexus. You're supposed to have light here, light there. Light bulbs on this side. It's only on the outside. Sorry, on the inside, not on the outside. That have to be a quick and easy. My tool was dirty. There. See, it was easiest to take it off from the top. How the way it was made. In here. So. Seeing how it's made. One twisting bulb here. There. Quite typical W5W. And here we have a set of W5W. Those bulbs are in a lot of lights on a car. Many car brands are the same. So it's a quite normal bulb to have lying around. Well, I've been touching it, so I'm trying to take it off and put it in without making a mess of it. There. Trying to get it back without you see here. And it's going in. To find the thing and twist it back in place. Yeah. Now backlight is off. On again. Here, these tabs going down. Yeah. Yeah, now it's locked in again. Backlight is in. I was using metallic things like this and mine was a little dirty, but I have some plastic pieces and the bulb W5W. It's very simple. Now the lights are okay in the back again. Yeah, that was very quick, very easy, and those bulbs, if you have a car at all, I can't remember any car I have had any time that haven't been using those bulbs. So those have to be from very old age. I'm not sure when they start to use it. At least in the 70s, maybe in the 60s, maybe I don't remember back, but I had some 56 Cadillac, 54 Buick and things. I don't remember there, but it's quite common bulbs, W5W. And this one was 5 watts. Yeah, but there you find that. I have many other videos about the RX450 and the RX400 who's in the garage here, waiting for new brake disc in the front and some exhaust work. yeah, please come back, please start following the channel. We're going for 900 videos in not too far of distance there. I don't think it's going to be this year, but next year is going to pass at least 900 videos. Many videos about the RX, many videos about other Lexus, many videos about Toyotas, Land Cruiser, Celicas, different, and Mercedes and Jaguar, Range Rover, Porsche Cayenne, yeah, a lot of things. Please come back, please start following the channel, and put a like. Thank you.